Muthikiriria na muroreri wa Pacific West Television ni njitagwo kiari wa Prestige na muthenya wa muthe ni ndacera guku Seattle Washington itura ritagwo Des Moines na ndoka kwa muthuri witagwo Waitito kana baba yao mundu ucio twahituka gikari giake kinene hau kina number plate ya baba yao na ndenda muthuri uyu ni ari githinjiro kia mburi andore me guku mena Seattle Washington Tacoma no korwo hiwe na iruga no aranie na muthuri uyu ni aguta contact yake na ndoka muthenya wa muthe tondu ndakora akiheheria athuri metereire nyama haha ko ndoka nginya riko na ndakorwo ndaima githinjiro ndenda twarane na nie tuone wira uria Mr. Waitito aruta Mr. Waitito tamba uke ugeithie muthikiriria na mwiroreri gutire na kauru uyu niwe wetagwo Waitito kana baba yao tamba twire ritwa ri warutire ku
nie njitagwo Waitito ni ritwa ria gutuo ni aciari tondu ria kiriria guka etagwo Waitito
ni muhutanetie na
baba yao acha tutihutanitie no tuitagwo Waitito turi eri
no baba yao
nie njitagwo Waitito nikio ndeitire take baba yao njitagwo Waitito
na riu hehagiria andu nyama guku
hehagiria andu nyama guku makagira na rimwe agi makahura thimu ngamatwarira
okay ni twakorwo toima kuria githinjiro kuria korwo na mburi
Auburn
na andu aingi me guku especially Kent Federal Way jigua mathia kundu ithaa rigi magithii wetha mburi
Graham agi mathiega kundu kuraihu muno agi magathie Samna no riu twina mburi haha hakuhi
na ni ndiratuire njiragwo uhoro waku ti ni uri githinjiro ta he andu address ya haria mangiuka githinjiro no twire mundu angienda mburi ri abuka gate tucoke tukione nyama ino rahihia
my address haria nyamu cire
ramuthikirira na mwiroreri
ni 32204 51st Avenue Auburn
hamuthikiriria urandika ndumiriri akago ni wahanyuka muno kauga address yo kahora
32204 51st Avenue South Auburn Washington
okay mundu angienda gukinyira ri nginenda kuburi
kana ni arenda kuheyura thimu 206 566 4189 iyo niyo namba yakwa ukahurira in advance tondu nyendaga kuruga nyama fresh nyedi cinaga nyama ngamiga ati igweterera customer hwaini nyendaga ukahurira thimu ukahita 1 hour kana 2 hours ugakora nyama yaku ready
mburi cia kwendagia mithemba iriku na ire njagira bei iriku
dina sheep dina lambs na dina buriburi ya goat
okay okay tukione nyama irio racina muthenya wa muthe ona tukicame tukione kanira gikate muthikiriria ni twakinya guku riko na tanyita nyama yo guo o mecinite gatune kagira riu ku ni kuguru guku ni guoko haya ma ni matumbo mara na matumbo na ici ni choma
ino ni migongo
turora kana ni jamu cumbi ndo ndingigeuka githinjiro na ngiinuke uguo ni nyama ya kihora muno
ni njega wega biu
muthikiriria giki ni githinjiro kanyama kau gekwagira ani ngwenda cameraman azum ngwenda cameraman ororie kamera haha usumu nyama eno wega no nyite nyama eno muthikiriria mwiroreri amione uguo niguo kuhana guku kwa baba yao githinjiro giaku riko ni ritwa rikikana no baba yao
onao
ya ni ngumonia mbica cia githinjiro kuria tuma ndimonie mburi icio ciothe na ni wa macokerere namba yaku ya thimu na kana gwi platform cingi mundu angigukinyira
namba yakwa ya thimu ni 206 566 4189 rege 206 566 4189 na address ya kuria mburi cire ni 32204 51st Avenue South Auburn Washington
ngiripotera Pacific West Television niye getwo kiarie wa Prestige guku Des Moines Seattle Washington United States
You are watching Pacific Waves Television, USA, a place of nourishment.
Pacific Waves TV. Nenyugena neta Shiaraya Pacific Mushewa ikeno
Pacific Waves Radio.
Ayage makaro merera Pacific Waves TV. Wokone Pacific Waves TV.
Muthikiriria na maroreri wa Pacific Waves Television ndakugeithia na muthenya wa muthe ndoka gucera guku gwa Champions Real Estate kuria tugucemania na mutumia wetagwo Grace wa Mwere na niwe ukoragwo CEO na ndoka niguo muthikiriria na mwiroreri tata gutaro na kwirwo uria tungeta kwigwatira nyumba guku mwena wa America.
Champions Real Estate Company ni kambuni iri gatofuruni wa America hari wendia wa nyumba ciakitwo na mwakire wa kiriu. Ni makuhete mweke waku we muikari wa America kuigira na nyumba yaku kiumbe. Kiariwa Prestige ni acerete kambuni ino akagea na umenyo mwingi wigie wendia wa nyumba na niwe uharirie riboti ino. Madam Grace wa Mwere murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ino ya Champions Real Estate akoretwo wira-ini uyu kwa makiria ma miaka 18 na kwoguo ari na uge mwingi no utaramu wa kirathi kia iguru hari wendia wa nyumba America. Amungirora imwe cia nyumba iria arendia ni kirorerwa ni iri na mwakire na mucaro wa kuguciriria maitho.
Ni tutagite for a very long time. Already have kiambiriria-ini kambuni ni koretwo ko for 20 years. I've been doing koretwo ngiruta wira for 18 years.
18 years. Riu ni njui he ciuria ciicokagira.
Yes.
No ciguagite na andu aria wendagiria ira ne magurire kana matiagurire. Kana andu make inquiries.
Yes.
He ciuria iria ciicokagira muno.
Niguo.
Ino rikane ciuria imwe iria uragio muno ni customers yaku.
Most people are afraid of credit, and others are afraid of income. Others are afraid of how much they'll be paying a month, but we're here to help them and let them know it's possible.
Mutaratara wa uguri wa nyumba ni muhuthu ta uria aratariria.
Yes, we help people own their own homes, own American trips, and what we require is you have a job, and then you have a good credit score, and then we have in-house lenders who do a wonderful jobs, and they strictly deals with a community that are looking to have homes, not just one home, and we work on people who have 620 credit score and above. Even the people who don't have good credit, we also help them so we can make sure they own homes.
Nakio kiuria o yothe ngikorwo nakio kigie uguri wa nyumba utari mukinyaniru Grace wa Mwere ni egukuhe.
Yari kiuria kingi ningi njigua muno ngiuria ni ati is this the best time ya kugura nyumba? Ati mahinda maya ri ni mumega ma kugura nyumba? No mwirori wakwa reke ngwire hurira thimu na nigucokeria kiuria kiu.
Naraturire ati mundu o wothe no wegere nyumba onakorwo credit score yake ni mucoketi na thutha ni eguguteithiriria. Mutaratara wa kuigira nyumba ino no thiko 30 tu ugakorwo igwaku mucii. Eno wabici county tiganite Washington State na no warie nake kwetukana namba yake ya thimu nio 425-931-0713 na kumena wa Federal Way eno wabici 32700 Pacific Highway South Suite 2 Federal Way Washington 98003 na kumena wa Everett County 1723 100th Place Southeast Suite A Everett Washington 98208 na kumena wa Edmonds eno wabici Iriari 525 5th Avenue South Suite 101 Edmonds Washington 98020. No mutumire email kuhitukira wamwere.homes@gmail.com kana ucere urenda-ini rwone ruo www.nwchampions.com. Champions Real Estate, home of endless possibilities. The easiest and most convenient way to send money from UK, EU, US, Canada, and UAE to Africa, Asia, the Caribbean, and Latin America at a great rate with fast transfers to mobile money wallets on popular networks. Use Tap Send, the best app to send money from your smartphone anytime. We are giving you an extra $20 bonus for sending any amount above $50 on your first transfer. Then use the promo code Kiari Prestige to claim the bonus. You can send directly to recipient's bank account or M-Pesa number. Join thousands of people worldwide who use Tap Send app. It's simple. Tap and send. Our NMLS ID is 2108069. 2108069. First things first. Go to App Store or Play Store and download Tap Send money transfer app, and you are ready to go. Remember to use the promo code Kiari Prestige to demand your bonus. Tap Send. Easy, simple, and fast.